In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set meeting reminder time in Outlook on Microsoft 365. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. To do this, log into your Outlook account and then go to settings gear here. From settings, go to calendar, and from calendar, choose events and invitations. Currently, if you have an event or a meeting that you are creating, say for Microsoft Teams, you have here your default reminder time. You can see it is set to 15 minutes. You can change this or set your own by choosing any of these times. So if you want them to be reminded 30 minutes before, you can choose this, or you can reduce this time. For instance, if you want it to be 5 minutes before the meeting, you can choose that. You can also choose to disable reminder or even to move it to a later day. So once you have chosen your reminder time, go and click on save, and now these changes will be captured. So that's how you can change your meeting reminder time in Outlook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.